Welcome to Homemaking with Mima, and my husband is going to pick the rest of the potatoes that we have in our potato garden. And I'm not going to bring you along with it because I have somewhere to be, but I will show you the end results. And yeah, we're pretty excited about what we're getting. And look at these wildflowers that I planted. I mean, I was a little skeptic when I planted them because the seeds inside of there literally just look like bird food, so but look at them, they're just gorgeous. We've just got multitude of different flowers. Let's see if I can get this one. They're just gorgeous, and they're doing their job. Let's see if we can get this one. They're doing their job. They're bringing in well, there's no bees out on these right now, but there was earlier. We've got all these little ones and different. Yeah, it was, you know, I'm hoping that I can find the same seed packet because, yeah, I was pretty excited about that. But anyway, so like I said, I'm not going to bring you along for the actual potato harvest, but I'll bring you photos of the potatoes that we were able to get. And yeah. So here is the rest of our potato harvest. I'll see if I can get the other one that we had when we harvested some of those earlier. We'll get it all together, but that is it for the potatoes. Okay, so our potato harvest is done for 2024. My husband was out here earlier today and he finished picking the rest of the potatoes that were in here. He turned over the soil, so he made sure he got all the potatoes, and we are very pleased at what we've got. We didn't count the potatoes. I know we did at the beginning. In the one bed we had 17, and the other we had 19. If you look at the pictures of the separate times that we harvested, you'll see that we've got a lot more than what we planted. But for our first year of doing this, we were pretty ecstatic at what we've got. And next year we're planning on definitely putting in more potatoes. And we're going to put them in earlier than what we did. So that way then they have a chance to grow a little bit more before the really hot season comes, so that they can possibly make more. And we are also planning on putting some in the raised garden. We'll probably take half of one of these gardens and put potatoes in that as well, and we'll see how that goes so that we can get a bigger harvest. But yeah, we're pretty excited. And then we were talking and I said, next year after the harvest, let's see what we can put in here after that. I'm not one for growing a lot of garlic, so I'm not going to do that. But I said, if we can get an early start on the potatoes and then we can harvest them at a decent time, maybe we can start the cabbages here. I thought about doing possibly the squashes, but we don't want them vining all over the yard because that just becomes an issue with mowing lawn. So, but yeah, that is it. I want to thank you for joining me today. If you like this kind of content, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and I want you folks to make it a really great day.